Okay, in the last section we have learnt how to record. Now we are going to understand how to export it. Okay. Now in the same way, anywhere, any file we going to access for export or save. This is the same way how we deal with our any other Word, Excel, PowerPoint, whatever. So go here, click on the files on the top. So it will give all the options here. Save live set as sorry. So and export. First, if you want, you can save your live set. Give a name, where to save, it will ask. So you have to select your drive where you have to. Okay. So choose any one of them and save with the name. Then go to the file, same, and say export audio. Once you export audio, keep everything as it is normal. No need to do anything. Okay. In case if your PC, look at this carefully, in the PCM section, if it is enabled, it will export along with the MP3. It will export in wave, any format. For now, for your purpose, it's not required now, so you can have it. So wave files will be having better quality, and most of the time wave files are used in post productions. Okay. And for uploading or sharing files, mp3 will be the better. Even in mp3, it's very good quality, so you can use that same thing. So keep the mp3 on, otherwise vice versa you can do. You can enable that pcm, that wave format, and keep on off the this mp3, so that you can have only one type of file. So you can opt among anyone you want. Once you select all these things, so just say export. Again it will ask for the file title, and again it asks for the place where to save. Okay, save. I just kept everything default. So what was the my settings? According to that, I can access the file here from my desktop. It was on desktop, it's just untitled. So what is that untitled is here. It's starting here, see. Now it is exported a whole thing. Sometimes if you want to export any particular part, you just need to select like this. Just take the hand symbol, you just click on that title where the track title is there. If you find the title and click there, it will select that portion. So you can see this tiny marker here, this tiny marker. So it creates a range where from where to where to. So you just choose a signal from where to where, which signal supposed to be that portion only. Whatever sent to the master output, that will be recorded, that will be exported. So this can be changed, this range can be changed. Hold this and you can change the range, you can change that. Still you can move that. Like this you can do that. Okay, hold this from where you have to have, just click this and hold this and move on. So if you click here, hold that and move on. Wherever the playhead is there, just click the lines here, bar, then playhead will appear. Click on the playhead, it will start splitting, it will appear like this. You can move on like this. Okay, so start your playhead like this, so that it will just create like a inverted commas. So it creates a range, from that range to that range you have to export. Now if you export, file, export, I say okay, export untitled one. I'll give just, I'll give name 1. and save it. Exporting, see untitled 1. It exported only short signal, but when you go here it goes for whole long. So you find the difference, I think. Okay, so exporting is like this. So once you exported, you can find the same thing in your desktop, or for my case I put it in desktop. For you case, you can, as I explained earlier, add a folder, say add a folder, choose a path where you have to supposed to. I'm choosing here this path. If in case, choose this, say new folder, it will create a new folder, test ableton, I'll say. Or you can put a project name, create. It creates a folder inside that. Once you created inside the folder test ableton live, again I will create a new folder for, I say, karaoke. Okay, and even I create a new folder inside that subfolder, so it gives me proper arrangements. So I can say here any other files, just I say vocal, so you can export only vocal to this. I can have, okay, and I can say new file, new folder, inside this a test ableton, so I can have another folder, so master or mp3. So for example, mp3 sounds easy to understand, create mp3. So when you want to export, you have to choose the right path, export here. Now you choose the right thing here, where I have saved this, here in this test ableton. In the test ableton mp3 folder I select, then I'll save, it goes there. So now if I go there, add folder, select open, so that is here, my mp3 folder is here. I can test it now. Got it? This is how it works. Got it? So this is how, when I'm speaking, it is working. See, all my recordings are showing. So make sure that it works like this. Okay, cool. After our recording, turn on this everything. Just if you want to save the in different versions, you can save as, save a copy, all those you can do. So we can explain all these things later, step by step, while doing practically. You first, for your case, first you have to understand this. Okay, once you done this, you just done. Okay, go with the thing. Fine.